So welcome to my fall home tour. Bless you. The doggies are going to be joining us. Tucker just sneezed. But anyways, this is when you walk in the door, and I will go through the living room and show you everything. But first, behind me, we have this little shelf here where we hang like backpacks and stuff. And then we have our little shoe thing here. And on top of it, I just have this little 3-tiered pumpkin and then this flower arrangement. I've had that flower arrangement for probably 4 or more years. And I think I got it at Kirkland's. And then this, I believe I got at TJ Maxx. Okay, so as we walk in to the living room, I will show you this little table here. So my husband actually made this table. We got the plans off of Pinterest. It's an Anna White X console table, if you want to look that up. But anyways, I got this little pumpkin from, I think, TJ Maxx. Let's see. No, I actually got this from Biglots. It was $12. So actually that is what inspired this year's more of the pinks and the reds was from Biglots. So yes, I got this from Biglots. I got a lot of really cute things from Biglots. So I got that there, and then I got this little milk container from Hobby Lobby. And then this little flower arrangement, I believe, is from Joann's. And they had such a good deal on their fall decor. And their wreaths, like the one you saw on the front door, they were buy one, get 2 free. So I got me 2, and then I got my sister 1. And I only paid for 1, so that's pretty awesome. But they had such pretty flower arrangements. And let's see. Michael's, the flower arrangements were buy one, get 1 free. And Joann's, they were buy one, get 1 half off, I think. Or maybe it was the other way. But anyways, both of them had really good sales. And then down here, I just have some pumpkins in this little tray that I got from the Target Dollar Spot several years ago. And I probably got this from the Dollar Tree, probably Target Dollar Spot, and Kirkland's. Okay, and now coming over here, I got this from Biglots. Okay, so over on my desk, I got this from Hobby Lobby. I liked these because I can use them year round. I didn't want to just buy stuff that I can only use for a couple of months, so I loved that about these, so I can put spring flowers and Christmas stuff in them. But I got this flower arrangement, and again, I can't remember if I got it at Michael's or Joann's, but it's one or the other, and I love how it has the little pine cones and then the mauves and the dark pinks. Very pretty. And then over here, I got this at Joann's, and then this I got a long time ago, probably Kirkland's. Yep, I got this from Kirkland's a couple of years ago, but that's all I have over here. So for my fireplace, I have it pretty neutral up here. I got this thankful banner from Kirkland's several years ago. I've used it every year. I love it because it's very neutral. It can kind of come along with me as I change my decor. And then this is a, I think, Target pumpkin from a long time ago. Kirkland's flower arrangement from a long time ago. I pretty much leave that up year round. And then that gather sign is from the Target Dollar Spot several years ago. And then over here, this candle is from Biglots. This is from the Target Dollar Spot. This is from TJ Maxx, and it lights up. It's really cute, so at night you can turn it on and it glows on the inside. And then these flowers are also from Biglots. So moving down here, I got this pillow from Biglots as well, and I also got a really cute one that says Morning Pumpkin, and it's on our bed. I showed that in a recent cleaning video. But I got this pillow there as well, and then I've had that pink blanket, and then I've had this basket as well. I don't know where I got the basket, but I thought it looked really cute just tossed in there like that. Now over here I have this Cincy Warmer that I've had for a few years. It's from Cincy, and I have melting in there some, I think it's like a laundry one, And then I got this from Biglots. It says, I love fall most of all. And then this flower arrangement came from Biglots as well. And this pumpkin is actually a Dollar Tree orange styrofoam pumpkin that I cut up the stem and then spray painted and then stuck the flowers down in it. So for my coffee table centerpiece, I just have this tray that I got from the Target Dollar Spot years ago. And then I probably got this there as well. Let's see if there's still a tag. No. I probably got this from the Target Dollar Spot. I don't remember. This was from the Target Dollar Spot. It's just like a little candy dish. I don't have anything in mine. And then this flower arrangement, I think I got this from Kirkland's last year. It doesn't have the tag. Pretty sure I got this from Kirkland's last year. Moving over here to this little bar area, I got this really cute little flower basket or whatever you call it. It says thankful. I got this from TJ Maxx, and TJ Maxx has some really cute stuff and it's really decently priced. Okay, so this is one of my favorite areas to show you. It's kind of hard with the lighting, but I'm going to show you everything over here. Okay, so my favorite is my centerpiece here. I get all of these little pedestals from Boxwood and Binky's. I always have her linked in the description box of all of my videos. So if you guys ever wonder where something is, definitely check there first because it's more than likely listed. And if not, of course you can ask me, but these are always there. So this is one of those from Boxwood and Binky's. And then I have this little thankful sign. I believe I got it at Kirkland's. The pumpkins are both Dollar Spot pumpkins from a couple of years ago. And then again, the little milk jug is from Hobby Lobby. I use it year round. And then this little flower arrangement is from, I believe this is from Michael's. Then on my mirror back here, I have this thankful banner that I got from the Target Dollar Spot a couple of years ago. And then I have this pumpkin. I believe I got this one from Joann's, and it came stuffed with the flowers and everything. And then this thankful sign is from Hobby Lobby. And then my little pig's there, but he's not fall. And then over above the trash can is another one of those wreaths that I got from Joann's with the buy one get two free. So the one that's on my front door that you saw, I got that one. I got this one, and then my sister a beautiful one, all for the price of one. So it was a pretty good deal. But I love this tobacco basket with the fall pumpkins and the pine cones. I just think it's so cute. Okay, so as for my kitchen, we will start right here. I got this little pumpkin from TJ Maxx, and I got these flowers from, I believe, Michael's. And then over here in this corner, I got this pumpkin from TJ Maxx. That candy corn I got for my daughter because she loves candy corn. Let me know in the comments if you like candy corn or not. I feel like it's one of those things you either like it or you hate it. But I got some of that for her today, and I'm just sitting it there. But another one of my Boxwood and Binky pedestals. This one's like a candle size. I love it. I think it's adorable. And then this is from Bath and Body Works, my favorite candles ever. And then this is from Joann's, this pumpkin, and it came that way filled with the flowers. And here's my little coffee bar setup. I think it's so cute. It's so untraditional with the pinks and the blues, but I don't care. I love it. So I got this little thing, this little thankful pumpkin probably at Kirkland's. I've had it for a while. And then I got this at TJ Maxx. They have so many little pumpkins in different colors and different textures. I got this from Walmart last year, I think. TJ Maxx. I love pink pumpkins. It's like they were made for me. And then this is a flower arrangement that I got from Michael's last year, and I just left it up. And then I have a little green pumpkin back there too. You can't really see them, but I love how my coffee bar turned out. I think it's super adorable. And then above my sink, I have this Hello Fall sign that I got from Biglots as well. See if we can see it a little bit better, but it has the colors that I love, and it's just so pretty. So I have that setting up in my windowsill. And then on another one of my pedestals here, I have a pink pumpkin that I love. It's like a baby pink. And then I got this at Hobby Lobby because, again, I can use that year round. That will look good with Christmas stuff. That will look good in the summer, the spring. But I got this flower arrangement from probably Michael's, and it just has like the little pine cones and then the neutral colors, but I thought it was really simple but cute. Alright, so this is just an overview of my living area. That's it for my fall home tour. It's a lot different than last year. I have a lot of pink this year, which I am loving. I think it's so cute. So I hope that you liked this. I know that I don't have a whole lot, but I feel like less is more sometimes. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, I would love to have you subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.